and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are diving into an in-depth review of the highly anticipated PS5 Slim. Sony's latest console iteration promises to deliver the same exceptional gaming experience as the original PS5, but in a more compact and sleek design. So let's explore its features, performance and overall user experience. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button. So, an overview of the PS5 Slim. The PS5 Slim features a more streamlined design, making it easier to fit into any entertainment setup. Despite its reduced size, it remains the powerful hardware and impressive capabilities of the original PS5, ensuring you can enjoy next-gen games without any compromises. Now let's talk about the design and build. The PS5 Slim's sleek and compact design makes it more versatile and easy to integrate into any gaming setup. Its minimalistic aesthetic and improved thermal design ensure efficient cooling and quiet operation. Now let's talk about the performance and hardware. The PS5 Slim is powered by the same custom AMD Ryzen Zen 2 CPU and RDNA 2 GPU, ensuring lightning-fast performance and stunning graphics. It comes with 16GB of GDDR6 RAM, providing smooth and responsive gameplay. The storage has a 825GB of usable storage in a SSD, ensures quick load times and ample storage for your favorite games, with the option to expand via NVMe SSD. Now let's talk about graphics. The PS5 Slim supports 4K resolution and up to 120 FPS, delivering breathtaking visuals and immense experience, with ray tracing capabilities to enhance realism with dynamic lighting and reflection, bringing games to life like never before. Let's talk about software and user interface. Running on the updated PS5 OS, the Slim offers a user-friendly interface with seamless navigation and quick access to games, media, and settings. The integrated game hub and activity cards enhance your gaming experience by providing detailed information and easy-to-access game-related activities. Now let's talk about connectivity and ports. It can support Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1, ensuring fast and reliable wireless connection. Ports. The PS5 Slim features a USB Type-C, a USB Type-A, HDMI 2.1 and Ethernet port, providing a range of connectivity options for peripherals and accessories. In conclusion, the PS5 Slim delivers the next-gen gaming experience in a more compact and stylish package. With its powerful performance, stunning graphics, and innovative DualSense controller, it offers everything you love about the original PS5, plus the added benefit of a smaller footprint. Well, thanks for watching, and that's the end of this video, so I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button, and bye.